Winters in northeast Pennsylvania can be brutal. Now is the perfect time to winterize your garage door. Don't bother yourself with the inconvenience of having to shovel your car out every morning. We will check your garage door springs and balance your door. Service your garage door motor. And make sure your garage door is functioning consistently and safely. Call today to schedule your free same-day service call or estimate. Discount Garage Doors LLC, where we treat every family like our own, a brand you can trust and depend on.